to my YouTube channel. This is Alfia and I know that you guys really want me to be back on YouTube, post more. So this is my attempt in actually being active here. This video is going to be all about my realistic, unfiltered morning routine of 2021. Now this routine I've actually adapted since a couple of months now. ये अब मैं बहुत comfortable हो चुकी हूँ इसमें and this has been working so well for me. I thought I should share with you guys all that I do in the morning. And if you guys don't really follow me on Instagram yet, make sure to follow me there because I share more about my life and all of the updates there. However, without further ado, let's just get started. So part 1 of my morning begins very early where I push myself to wake up and it's about 5:45 that I begin to do my morning prayers. Now this is something that I have been doing very recently and it honestly just makes me feel so good and accomplished throughout the day. Later I just wrap up and go to sleep for another hour and a half and then finally at around 7:30 a.m. I wake up to start my day. I like to schedule my shoots early in the morning, so yeah, this is my morning face y'all, and without wasting any more time I'm just gonna head over to washroom to do my regular freshening up. I will just brush my teeth and splash some cold water. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the 7 a.m. club though. This is also the time when my photographer Shantanu comes home and then I just head over to kitchen to heat water, boil some milk for his coffee, and while that is happening, I just go ahead and water my plants. This is Masoom and that is Bhola, you guys. And then I will just head over to making the coffee. I'm just mixing some coffee sugar in warm water and then whisking milk with a regular blender, and this is the best coffee in the world y'all, but this is not for me. I just prefer some warm water with honey in the morning, and I will just take my drink and just sit and sip on it. Along with that, I will also plug in my AirPods and listen to some positive affirmations. This is something that really gives a very good start to your day, and with that positive mindset I will also depuff my face because I have a shoot and this is so puffy, so I'm just going to use a gua sha and jet roller to do that. Once that is done, I will just change into my shoot outfit. For this day I was just wearing a white shirt and blue denims because we just had to take some regular skincare photos. And while Shantanu is prepping up the background, I will quickly take you guys through my morning skincare. And the range that I've been loving and recommending for over a year now is the Clear Skin Edition by Body Wise. Step 1 is to cleanse, and I'm using the oil control foaming face wash with 1% glycolic and salicylic acid, which gently exfoliates skin and controls oil production. I also had some active acne going on here, so I'm using the acne spot correction gel which has AHAs, BHAs, niacinamide, which helps to clear acne faster. It dries it out and it also calms the inflammation. And then using the skin clarifying serum, which is so good if you have oily or acne prone skin. This has niacinamide in it, which helps to fade acne marks. And lastly, I would just use the SPF 30 sunscreen, which is so bomb. It is fragrance free, lightweight, and does not leave any white cast whatsoever. You see that? I love it. I also love their products because they are dermatologist design, they are SLS and paraben free. You guys can also use my coupon code ALFIA15 to get discounts. Link will be in the description box. I then head over and start getting ready. I'm just wearing my lenses, brushing my brows and applying some lipstick for the shoot. And we just were taking some images for my Instagram, and
a few minutes later.
Post the shoot, me and Shantanu just get to wrapping up the entire house. This is the most difficult part and it dreads me the most. We really need to clean the house before my parents wake up so that they can function, and we're just cleaning everything. I'm also clearing the dining table and setting it up for our breakfast. Today we had some sunny side up, which is my absolute favorite, with chai happening and also jawari ki roti. This is such a healthy option and I feel like it gives me so much more energy after I've started eating jawari ki roti. You guys try it honestly. And I'm just enjoying my breakfast with some sides of chai. This is my favorite part of the day. I love my breakfast and that's just me enjoying it to the fullest. And then the next couple of minutes is just playing with Divit, who is our neighbor, and we just have our own time, and it's just so much fun in the morning to kind of see his face, to be honest. And later on I just take my book. Today I was reading Think and Grow Rich, and while I read, along with me David also practices his ABCDE, and he's still trying to master the EU, guys. Later on I just write down whatever my daily tasks are, and I also write down if there is anything good that I have read in the book. This just makes me remember better. And then I just go ahead and do my daily chores that are assigned to me. I am supposed to clean all the glasses in the house, dust the furniture, the frames. Basically everything needs to be dusted, including the fans, every day. My mom is a neatness freak. And later on we just go ahead and take over the day. Today we were just heading out because it was David's 4th birthday, and this is our OOTD. He's so restless, you guys. But showing you guys what I wore: just a polo neck tee with wide leg jeans, zebra bag, and yeah, we just head out to celebrate his birthday with a couple of friends. And you guys, we were just going to his favorite place ever. We had to go to McDonald's and the escalator stopped working, so we just ran to our destination, McDonald's, y'all. And yeah, that's just us and how it went for the next couple of hours in the day. David, as usual, was just beside the Happy Meal counter, and he was asking if he could break the glass to get the toy. But we did get him the toy. It was his birthday anyway, and that's how he decided to play with it.
अभी बोल क्या बोल?
हाँ बोल बोल
बाय
कैमरा पे तो बंद कर
बाय
रुक जा देविद बाय बोल और कैमरा बंद कर ठीक है
बाय
So yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little bit of my morning routine, and honestly I don't want to promise the world to you guys, but you guys can expect one video every week. I have a new camera with me, so alhamdulillah things are gonna go smoother. However, if you guys like this video, comment below the favorite part of this video, and also if you actually want me to do any sort of challenge videos, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye, take care and stick around.